Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another unboxing video or Amazon Prime, because they are located everywhere. They have so many links, different sites to go check them out. Amazing company. This is coming from MEE Audio. MEE, M-E-E Audio. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Thursday. So we got a small little package. Let's see what's inside. And you can click on the link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer. And in case I do have a discount code, it'll be located in the description. But I'm not sure sometimes with the discounts, so but definitely get one of these at a low cost. Here we go. This month is moving fast. What do we got here? There we go. Alright. Nice packaging. Everything is secured. That's always a good thing to have around the house. Bada boom. Connect Bluetooth wireless headphone system for TV. So you can turn your TV to the Bluetooth headphones. So you can watch the game in peace. Bluetooth MEE audio. MEE. Stream HD audio up to 2 Bluetooth headphones or speakers. Clear distortion. Also, you could probably make it a surround sound kind of if you have extra speakers. Calm technology. Headphones can be used with phones and tablets. Awesome. So it could be used as normal Bluetooth. But for the sound for gaming, you can hook it up to your TV. I'll show you how it's done. And another Bluetooth. Oh, sweet. This would be good for gaming also. Definitely be good for PlayStation 4. Busy weekend. A lot of good games coming out this year. I already have with Spider-Man and all those. Definitely put these headphones on. Alright, let's get inside. Oh, we got a cut. Hopefully I don't cut myself. Cut. There we go. And the final cut. Bam. I did bring my phone with me to show you how the Bluetooth mode works. And then we'll go in my room, show how it works through the TV setup. Ooh, I like these style. Nice casual. Okay, lightweight. Oh, these feel comfortable. I like the cushion right in here. These are really soft. It's gonna be good for your ears. Got speakers outside. Ooh, it's one of those type deals. All right. Let's see, extensions. Male or females, you could do. Be a nice little stocking stuffer. Left, right, right, left. And then this is a thing that everybody wants. Oh, we got the goodies right here. Alright, cool. I was about to say, where are the cords? There's a MEE device. On, off. Optical, 3.5. And no power. I need to get optical going. I gotta find my cord. I don't know if I have one. All cords I don't have is optical cord. But I'll get one. Right now I got something to hook it up with, make the sound quality a lot better with these nice Bluetooth headphones. But this thing though, really excited for it. Definitely, I'm excited to hear these, how they sound. Audio jacks, USB audio, right? Yeah. And we got here, oh hey, sweetness, optical cord. I needed one of those. So it comes with one of those also, so that's a nice little package right here. Nice cord. Hook up PS4. I got that other device, the ARC device. I'm gonna test these on probably to get the true sound. And maybe I'll hook up a Bluetooth speaker to it. I think I got one around somewhere. It's charged up at least. Definitely take advantage, YouTube, of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping, or even on the website. They will have great customer service. So definitely give them a try, see what other goodies they have to offer you guys. Audio, I don't think I need those. Might need these for power. But I'm going to turn that TV into a Bluetooth. I got a little old school in my room, 40-inch, way before, I don't know how many years ago, but it's a little outdated, so this will be cool to have for that TV. But I need to update my TV really bad, but that'll be coming up soon, hopefully. Let's go add that on. Okay, let's see. Oh, that was kind of weird. Where is he? Ah, we got the power buttons right here. Alright, she talks. Alright, normal mode for Bluetooth phone. Oops, yep, casino slots. There we go. Turn that off. Turn it on. Make sure it pops up. Should pop up down at the bottom. It's called MEE. I'm not sure if it's going to be called MEE or it might be called something else. Still searching it. Maybe I gotta hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Power off.
No, power on. Shoot. A little slippery. Come on.
Power on.
Uh-huh. I don't think... No, those are not it. Trav. Where are you? Connect, please. Let me try... I always do it this way. No.
Power off. Power on.
Come on. Come on. I actually have to read the manual. Usually it's just to hold the power button for... Oh, no. Alright, I'll put you on pause. Alrighty, it said to hold the power button for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's supposed to flash.
Now connected to Galaxy S8 Plus.
What the heck? Why didn't that? I don't know what happened.
Power on.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Power off.
Alright.
Power on. Ready to pair.
There we go. Holy smokes, sorry about that. There it is, MEE audio.
Connected.
Alright, connected. Now you guys know what to do. There we go. For some reason it hooked up to my Alexa device. I'm not sure how. Alright, I'm going to get some music rolling. Then we're going to switch over to my TV since now we got the Bluetooth hooked up to my phone. Let's see really quick. Sorry about the delay. Need something with a little bass. Here we go. See if this helps. I'm gonna put these on my head now. These has a nice comfortable fit to these Bluetooths. And here's a volume. Sounds really clear. These sound really good with the bass and everything. Sounds clear outside. Hold on one sec. I'm gonna go into the room and set up the Bluetooth transmitter device. Oops, before I go to the TV, I'm gonna show you how to connect the audio jack to it. And then I'll be in my room after that. But here's the end. Here's the audio. Connect these two like that. You're gonna plug this into where it says 3.5 audio or mm's right there. But like I said, you could use optical if your TV has it, or your device you want to hook it up to, like a PlayStation. I'll be doing that later on my own. But for the video, I'll just show you the normal audio cables that are basic pretty much in most of our TVs, except for the ballers out there that got the 4K and all that fancy dancy stuff. But for the basic, right here, optical power, gotta find this. This goes into something. We'll figure it out. Oh shoot, the battery's going low. Alright, connect the power cord to this. And it'll look like this side. Oh, come on now. Get in your hole. Alright, once you get in your hole. There we go. It's connected. That's how it's supposed to look. And you got the audios right there. Sorry about the dangling. There we go. Got there. And got for the back, and I'll be back.